These are the ingredients you're going to need to make Russian tea cakes. They're actually a cookie and quite delicious. They're also known as Mexican wedding cake. They go by several names, and I think you might recognize them once we make them. You'll need all-purpose flour, chopped walnuts or chopped pecans. I prefer chopped walnuts, and nowadays you can get them pre-chopped, which makes it even easier. If you get whole nuts, you'll need to chop them yourself into semi-fine pieces. You'll need 2 sticks of softened butter. I prefer to use salted butter in my baking. I think it tastes better, and the salt gives an extra added dimension. I also use organic butter. I think it has a better flavor and it's a lot better for you. You'll need powdered sugar, really good quality vanilla. I cannot say enough about having a really good quality vanilla. There are very few ingredients in these cookies, and if you don't have a good quality vanilla, it is definitely going to affect the taste of your cookies. You also need some salt.